You might think toothpaste is only for brushing your teeth, but you'd be surprised just how useful this little tube can be. Here are 50 smart and creative ways to use toothpaste for things beyond your bathroom sink. Hack 1. If your phone screen has some tiny scratches, try rubbing a bit of white toothpaste with a microfiber cloth in small circles. It might not fix deep cracks, but it can help reduce light surface scratches. Hack 2. Want to make your silver jewelry shine again? Apply a little toothpaste to a soft cloth and polish your rings, necklaces, or bracelets. Rinse with warm water, and they'll look as good as new. Hack 3. Dull car headlights? Use some toothpaste and a sponge to scrub away years of dirt and grime, helping you see better at night. Hack 4. Scuffed shoes are a hassle? Use an old toothbrush and some toothpaste to gently clean the scuff marks off leather or rubber soles. Hack 5. Streaky bathroom mirror? Rub a bit of toothpaste on the glass and then wipe it clean. It will not only remove fog, but also leave it sparkling. Hack 6. Mosquito bites itchy and swollen? Dab a small amount of toothpaste on the area. The menthol in it can help relieve the discomfort. Hack 7. Crayon all over the wall? Don't worry. Gently rub the area with toothpaste and a cloth. No harsh chemicals needed, and your paint stays safe. Hack 8. White sneakers looking dull? Use toothpaste and an old toothbrush to clean the soles and fabric. Wipe with a damp cloth, and they'll look bright again. Hack 9. Still smelling like garlic or onions after washing your hands? Try scrubbing with toothpaste instead of soap. It's quick and effective. Hack 10. Pimples making your day tough? Apply a small amount of white toothpaste to the spot before bed. It should help dry it out and reduce redness by morning. Hack 11. Piano keys looking yellow? Use a tiny bit of toothpaste and a soft brush to clean the keys, giving them a new look. Hack 12. Goggles fogging up while you swim? Spread a little toothpaste on the lenses, rinse thoroughly, and you'll have clear vision underwater. Hack 13. Drinking glasses looking cloudy? Apply toothpaste, gently rub it in, then rinse. They'll shine like crystal. Hack 14. Dull bathroom faucets? Polish them with toothpaste and a sponge. It removes buildup and gives them a shiny, mirror-like finish. Hack 15. Lipstick stain on your shirt? Gently rub toothpaste into the fabric and rinse with cold water. The stain should fade away. Don't forget to test it on a small area first. Hack 16. Coffee or tea stains on your mug? Use toothpaste and a dish brush to scrub the inside. It'll look brand new again. Hack 17. Chrome fixtures losing their shine? Buff them with a bit of toothpaste and a soft cloth. You'll have a sparkling finish in no time. Hack 18. Your iron is sticky from melted fabric? Once it's cooled, rub it with toothpaste and wipe clean. It'll remove the grime quickly. Hack 19. Baby bottles with a sour smell? Scrub the inside with toothpaste, rinse well, and they'll be fresh and clean. Hack 20. Dye on your skin or forehead? Gently rub the area with toothpaste to remove the color without irritating your skin. Hack 21. If your iron leaves a burn mark, let it cool down first, then gently scrub it with toothpaste to remove the mark. Hack 22. When your bathroom windows get foggy after a shower, try rubbing a small amount of toothpaste on the inside and wipe it clean. No more misty windows. Hack 23. Want to clean the white soles of your sneakers? Use a toothbrush and toothpaste, which often work better than most cleaning sprays. Hack 24. To clean keyboard keys, use a cotton swab with some toothpaste. It does a great job of getting rid of dirt and grime. Hack 25. If there's ink or permanent marker on your wooden table, gently rub it with a soft cloth using toothpaste. It can help fade the mark a lot. Hack 26. For your fridge handle and other areas you touch often, use toothpaste to clean stains and sticky residue. Hack 27. To polish your car's chrome, use non-gel white toothpaste. It gives a shiny, clean finish. Hack 28. Use toothpaste to clean the rubber parts and stitching on your shoes, especially on athletic shoes or sneakers. Hack 29. If your white earbuds get dirty, use toothpaste on a cotton bud to remove grime without causing damage. Hack 30. To get rid of the smell from baby toys or pet chew toys, scrub them with toothpaste and rinse them well. Hack 31. If you need a quick deodorant, toothpaste can work. Its antibacterial ingredients help fight bad smells quickly. Hack 32. For scratches on your DVDs or game discs, lightly rub toothpaste in a circular motion and then rinse it off. Hack 33. Polish your car headlights or motorcycle windshields to make them shine and improve visibility. Hack 34. Clean your phone case, especially if it's made of rubber or plastic. Use toothpaste and a cloth to scrub it clean. Hack 35. To remove water rings from wooden furniture, gently rub toothpaste onto the area and wipe it off with a clean cloth. Hack 36. If your coffee machine parts or kettle are stained, use toothpaste to scrub the plastic parts and remove the residue. Hack 37. For dull plastic garden furniture, use toothpaste to clean it and restore its color while removing built-up dirt. Hack 38. Clean stained tiles or grout with toothpaste and an old brush. It's both safe and effective. Hack 39. If your bathroom light fixture looks foggy, rub it with toothpaste to make it shine again. Hack 40. Clean your car's license plate and give it a polished look using toothpaste and a cloth. Hack 41. After cutting fish and your hands smell bad, scrub them with toothpaste. It helps remove the smell better than regular soap. Hack 42. Remove scuff marks from your floors, especially tiles or linoleum, using toothpaste and a sponge. Hack 43. If your pet bowls smell bad, scrub them with toothpaste, then rinse them thoroughly to make them fresh again. Hack 44. Dull plastic containers can be rejuvenated with toothpaste. Rub it on, rinse, and you'll see a big improvement. Hack 45. Toothpaste can also help with rust spots, especially on tools or small metal items. Hack 46. If your old trophies or medals look worn, use toothpaste to buff them and give them a shiny finish. Hack 47. Remove scuffs from your watch face or wristband with toothpaste. Hack 48. If you accidentally get lipstick on your bathroom counter, a small dab of toothpaste can help remove it easily. Hack 49. Clean your sink drain and the base of your faucet for a spotless shine. Hack 50. Finally, clean your whiteboards. If they're stained with dry erase marker, toothpaste can bring back their brightness.